Hello everybody, welcome to German class, and in today's lecture we will be doing some exercise on personal pronouns in German. We call it personal pronomen. Personal pronomen. So we are going to do eine Übung. Übung is exercise. So we will see different types of questions in this lecture, and we will be covering up all types of questions what you should expect in your exam, right? So let's start. First of all, before proceeding to the exercise, I just want to revise you the rule that with ish we add e with verb root, we with do we add st, with air z or s we add t as an ending, with wear we add en, with ear we add t, with z or z we add en. And you are already aware of the meaning. Ish is I, do is you, but informal. Then air is he, z is she, s is it. Then wear is we, ear is you all, but informal plural. Then z is you, but it is formal. Then we have z plural, which means they. Now let's see some exercise. Right, I have also conjugated a verb for you. Right, kaufen is to, which means to buy. So if it is ich kaufe, it will give you the meaning of I buy. Then du kaufst with st, it will give you the meaning of you buy. Then ARZS will give you the meaning of he, she, or it buys. Then wear will give you the meaning of we buy, and then you all buy, and then you buy, and they buy. So this will be the translation for it. If you get ich kaufe, right? Ich kaufe will give you the meaning of I buy. So let's proceed further. This was just a revision before we proceed to exercise. Now see, this is type 1 exercise. Type 1 exercise where you just need to fill personal pronouns. So what do I need to do? I just need to check the ending. Check the ending of the verb. Check the ending of the verb and then answer. Your answer is ready. If ending is e, answer should be ish. If ending is st, answer should be do. If ending is t, answer should be air, z, or s. If en answer, then wear. If ending is t, then ear. If ending is en, then answer should be z or z. So let's proceed. So here it says blank mache die Hausaufgabe. Mache is do the homework. So who is doing the homework? I am doing the homework. Ish shall be the answer. And why ish? How I have identified? Because the verb ends with e, and whenever we are having e as an ending, answer should be e. Ish. I'm sorry. Then in second blank, it says learn German. So it says, are you learning German? So I answer should be do. And why do? Because st is an ending, and whenever you get st is an ending, the answer should be do. This is what we have just discussed. Now here it says blank won't. Won't is live in Delhi. Now here ending is t. So whenever you get t ending, answer can be he, she, or it. Answer can be he, she, or it, or you all. So 4 options are correct here. If you write air, it will become he lives in Delhi. If you write z, it will become she lives in Delhi. If you write s, it will become it lives in Delhi. If you write ear, it will become you all live in Delhi. So 4 options are correct here. Then next is fliegen nach Deutschland. So ending is en, and whenever you get an ending en, the answer can be where, or it can be z, capital S or small s. So here you should it will, if you write where, it will give you the meaning of we fly to Germany. If you write z capital, then it will give you are flying to Germany. And then if you write small s, then it will give you the meaning of they are flying to Germany. Similarly, next sentence, it says common is come, and Goa you already know. Aus is from. So are you coming from Goa? So ending is en. So again, en, three options are possible here. One is where, second is z, and third is small z. So if you write where, it will give you the meaning of are we coming from Goa? So ideally it is not correct, कुछ sense नहीं बन रहा. But z is you formal. So are you coming from Goa? So z is correct. So if you write small z, it will give you the meaning of they. So it will give you the meaning of are they coming from Goa? So two options are correct here. In grammar, yes, where is also correct. So if you write any of these words, your answer will be correct. So this is type 1 questions. In order to understand it in a better way, I would suggest you to revise personal pronouns notes and then come to this exercise, because exercise you can do only after after revising the notes of personal pronouns, because you cannot do directly exercise. Now here it is type 2 exercise. Type 2 exercise. It says mein Freund, my friend, my friend studies at Oxford University, an der Oxford Universität. Mein Freund studiert an der Oxford Universität. And then there is a blank for you. Ist sehr intelligent. Intelligent is intelligent. Sehr is very. Right? So mein Freund studiert an der Oxford Universität, ist sehr intelligent. Is very intelligent. Right? So I must write here my friend is very intelligent, is very intelligent. So who is intelligent? My friend. So my friend can be he, can be she, right? But what shall I write here? Air, I shall write air, or I shall write z. What answer is correct? So it is talking about my friend, and if I write meine Freundin, then it will be a female friend. Here I am talking about my male friend like Peter, Martin, Robert. But if I write meine Freundin, then it will be a female friend. So here answer Z is incorrect. Only air will be the correct answer. Similarly here, meine Schwester trinkt Milch. Milch is milk. My sister drinks milk. Ist sehr. Sehr is very. Gross. Gross is big. So my sister drinks milk is very big. So who is tall? So here who is tall? Meine Schwester is tall. So answer should be Z. Now here meine Eltern, my parents. My parents, meine Eltern sind alt. Alt is old. Meine Eltern sind alt. My parents are old. Sind 60 Jahre alt. Are 60 years old. So who are 60 years old? My parents. So they are 60 years old. They. What is the German of they? Is Z. Right? So this type of sentences can also come where we have to identify the noun from the first sentence, and we have to write personal pronoun in the second sentence. Like here, it was in first sentence, it was my friend. So he, here my sister. So she, here my parents. So they. This was type 2. Now coming to the type 3 questions, which is nowadays very, very popular. So we have to choose the correct statement. First statement says, mein Bruder wohnt in Jaipur. Wohnt is lives. So my brother lives in Jaipur. Er, he is doctor. Similarly, my brother lives in Jaipur. Sie ist Arzt. Mein Bruder wohnt in Jaipur. Es ist Arzt. Mein Bruder wohnt in Jaipur. Wir sind Arzt. So which option is appropriate here? So I would tell you that only option 1 is correct here, that my brother lives in Jaipur and he is a doctor, right? So rest all options are wrong. So if in exam you get a question like this, choose the correct statement in personal pronoun. In personal pronoun, then you have to choose option A, right here, because only from option A it is very much clear. My brother is equal to be he, here, right? So I hope you must have learned something new, and if you have any doubt you may ask now. Danke is thank you. Danke sehr, thank you very much. Sehr we have learned today also. Sehr a lot. So danke sehr, thank you very much. Now if you have any doubt, please ask, or you can write. Thank you.